Follow the given instructions for filling the MDCAT 2023 registration form. Let's start. First, you should go to your browser and type the given link. Enter your full name, father name, identification type, and number, issuance date of your CNIC or Form B, mobile number, email password, confirm password, and at the end just click on sign up. Now for enter to your account, just enter your email, CNIC or Form B and enter your password, then press on login button. Here you can enter more information like your city of domicile, desired exam university, choose your exam city center, date of birth, enter your FSC mark. Next click on gender and select male or female. Next click on gender and select male or female. Click on choose file and upload your FSC mark sheet. Now enter your CNIC issuance date. Now click on choose file and select a passport size picture of yours and the end type of your postal address. And then click on save and proceed to payment. If you want to pay through Pakistani credit debit card, you should click on it. And if you want to pay through MCB Bank, click on it and then proceed to pay button. If you like the video, hit the like button and share, and subscribe the channel for more videos.